In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give angle to a line in AutoCAD and draw a line in AutoCAD. We will walk through two clear methods so you can pick the one that feels most natural. Using dynamic input, which I recommend for its on-screen prompts. And the polar coordinate method, which is fast and precise once you get the hang of the syntax. Let's start with dynamic input. Begin by typing line or simply L and press enter. Click anywhere in the drawing area to set your first point. Now, type the length you want for the line. With dynamic input, you'll see fields right next to your cursor. Press the Tab key to switch focus from the length field to the angle field. Enter the exact angle you need. Then press enter to finish the segment. In AutoCAD, angles are measured from the positive x-axis, which points to the right on your screen at 0 degrees. By default, angles increase counterclockwise, so 90 degrees points straight up, 180 to the left, and 270 straight down. If you prefer a specific direction, just provide that angle value accordingly. This method is great because you can visually stay where you are drawing and keep your attention on the geometry instead of the command line. Now, let's cover the polar coordinate method, which is concise and extremely reliable for precise lengths and angles. Type L and press enter to start the line command. Click to specify the first point. Then, type the distance and angle together using the format at length less than angle. For example, at 100 less than 45 creates a 100 unit line at a 45-degree angle from the positive x-axis. Press enter to place the line. The @ symbol tells AutoCAD you are entering a relative vector from the point you just picked. And the less faith in symbol separates the length from the angle. Remember, the units you type for length follow your drawing's current units, whether that's millimeters, inches, or something else. As before, the angle is measured from the positive x-axis, so plan your number based on the direction you want the line to point. A couple of quick tips to keep your results consistent. Type angles as plain numbers, and stick to the same precision you use for your project. If you need a line that's exactly aligned to a standard direction, choose angles like 0, 30, 40, 5, 60, 90, and so on. And if you make a typo, just press Escape to cancel and start the command again. It's quick and clean. That's it for both methods. Thanks for watching.